All right, so update on Jasmy coin. I'm going to clear the drawings to make this more clear. The 1 hour chart, you're still obviously in a downtrend, uh, but you did make a double bottom here, 18.5. So 18.5 could have been the bottom. If that was the bottom, let's see where your targets would be back to the upside. The 618, if that was the bottom, is at 24.7. So that's definitely the next target you would go to if 18.5 was the bottom. The reason I'm not quite sure, it looks bullish when you get double bottom, but the fact that you didn't even make a higher high on the smaller time frames is kind of bearish. There would have been a higher high right here at what level was that? That was around 28 cents. So obviously, I think the first stop would be the 618 and then 28 cents for a higher high. Because if you zoom in, that was a low point. You did get a small bounce. There was more of a wick actually than anything. But on the 15-minute chart, you can see it a little bit better if I zoom out. I think, yeah. That was a local low right there at least back here it was a local low at 23.7. So if you get above the 618, I believe, which was at 25 cents, 24 cents, then the next target would be 28 cents to the upside. So that's kind of the targets to the upside. If you go below 18.5, I think the next stop is 13 cents. So with that being said, wait, I want to look at one more thing. Yeah, even the Gonfans are bearish on the bigger time frames. I will say this on the 1 hour chart, the MACD probably has more room to go to the upside. It is right now going down, but I do think you never really touched the resistance point that you had on the MACD, which I don't know why it keeps deleting it every time I look at it, but every time I refresh the charts, it gets deleted, which is annoying. So that's basically where your resistance was, and to the downside, your supports are right around that level. So I think you bounce off the support. Really, your next stop you should be going is to the resistance. It might take a few hours for that to happen, but that's technically, I still think you have more upside to go on the 1 hour chart. 15-minute chart, last time you bounced was off support. So even on the 1 hour, 15-minute chart, I think you have room to go up to the upside on that. I think you could probably move this resistance down or make another one right here. So I guess you could say you got rejected, but you're also about to start going back up here on the 15-minute chart. MACD that's starting to turn bullish again. So I do think short term you go back up from here, at least for maybe try to target 24 cents, but we will see. The thing I have a problem with right now is that you are just in a downtrend on the smaller time frames. The price is making lower highs and higher lows, or lower highs and lower lows. So that's kind of what I got. I would say if you go below 18 cents, you're going to 13 cents. And to the upside, 24 cents and then 28 cents are my targets. Wait, the 618 was at 24.8, and then above that, I believe I said 28 cents is what you have to get above to be bullish. So 28.6 to be exact. So those are the targets. I'll see you in the next one.